Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, let us off ramp a bit and talk about Skeem Saam. Remember in our previous channel we used to cover Skeem Saam a lot, but I'm not happy with what is happening on Skeem Saam, more especially the line or the storyline around Uzamokuhle, right? I made a TikTok video which I'm going to post here, and let me know what are your thoughts based on the video that I made. But also, can I just say, from the day Uzamokuhle was young, Guy has been struggling. Like, I don't know. I'm just not happy with the storyline around Zamokuhle Siyakamela. But here's a video that I made on TikTok, and let me know what you think about it.
Guys, I don't know if I'm the only one, and if I'm the only one, I'm sorry in advance. Ne? But those that watch Skeem Saam, whoever is writing the script, because clearly, motho a write a script, so una le problem le Zamokuhle Siyakamela. Because wow, Zamokuhle every day, like you left, right, and center, there's a problem because Zamokuhle. How Zamokuhle? Remember when we were happy, or Zamo's gonna get twins? No. Something had to happen. Something sinister had to happen. Guys, is it only me, or the writer na thatha Zamokuhle, and whoever has a problem with Zamokuhle, arabotse re lokise, or re phahle re whatever, or rapele like whatever. Badimba Siyakamela le ba maputla ba tlhakane. This is not on, because Uzamokuhle cannot get a break. Lantlhala getting. Okay, studied whatever that he studied, what engineering. What is he doing now? He's busy running after constructions that are not like, the only good thing that has happened in Zamokuhle's life is the house he built for his parents. But still, he's not even enjoying that house the way he should be enjoying, because the house is bloody crowded. Am I overreacting? Or vele itlatsa psinyantwe? Ake sharp. I guess boheli Skeem Saam ka se bohela ke tla bo go Skeem Saam tsa tsile Zamokuhle a krele ma 20 hour tshwereng, because we knew no, something's going to happen. At least Nebula gave them the benefit of the doubt. No, she won't deliver twins, maybe she's going to deliver one child. Skeem Baris operation teka inkwas. All the children are gone. Get sharp, guys. Am I the only one feeling like this though?
So, having seen the video, do you honestly think I'm unnecessarily being emotional, considering ukuthi from esikolweni, when we knew Uzamokuhle, he was that child that was struggling, that his mom needed to be helped with some money, and then we passed that stage. They got to a high school, right, where like Mrs. Tubakali was teaching, and still Uzamokuhle was the black sheep of everything. Remember how girls didn't even want to go out with her and stuff. Remember at some point, I think it was a matric dance or whatnot, where Ntate Maputla was the one having to pay for them. And at some point, there was a 21st birthday or something where Uzamokuhle got like literally nothing, and Kwaito got a car. I'm just not saying Guti maybe Kwaito shouldn't have gotten a car because Kochabo they afford and Kobo Zamokuhle they don't. But I'm just saying the storyline around Uzamokuhle, like guy can't catch a break. What happens to 7 years of milk and honey and 7 years of drought? Because Zamokuhle, it's like a lifetime of drought, a lifetime of disappointments. I don't know, guys. Please let me know what you think. But the storyline, clearly, the writer does not like Zamokuhle Siyakamela. What are your thoughts, my landlords? Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.